Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study CNS Pharmacology Easy Guide. Start by mapping major drug classes to neurotransmitter systems and their clinical uses, then create a concise chart that links mechanism, indication, and key side effects for each class. Use clinical vignettes to practice application, and quiz yourself with spaced repetition for long-term retention. Keep sessions short and focused to avoid burnout and improve consistency. In this video, I will explain how to study CNS Pharmacology Easy Guide. Break study into small sessions and use active recall to test what you remember without notes, then check accuracy. Schedule spaced repetition reviews to move facts into long-term memory and interleave related drug classes for contrast. Practice explaining mechanisms and side effects aloud, as teaching cements understanding and reveals gaps you can target in future sessions. In this video, I will explain how to study CNS Pharmacology Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy efficient study sessions, keep snacks fresh and stress low with leak-proof meal prep containers you can stash in your bag while you study. They pair perfectly with dedicated review blocks and help you maintain focus between sessions. If this helps, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study CNS Pharmacology Easy Guide. Build simple visuals and mnemonics that pair drug names with receptor actions and hallmark side effects to speed retrieval during exams. Make comparison tables for similar drugs so you can spot key differences at a glance, and always tie mechanisms back to clinical examples to reinforce relevance. Review these tools regularly to keep the material fresh and accessible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.